Imagine a world where a single sneeze could halt progress. In 1889, a mysterious flu outbreak, known as the Great Sneeze, swept across the globe, infecting millions. Originating in Central Asia, the virus traveled rapidly through trade routes and railways, leaving a trail of illness. With symptoms ranging from fever to severe respiratory issues, it claimed over 1 million lives. This pandemic marked a pivotal moment in understanding infectious diseases, prompting public health reforms and heightened awareness of hygiene practices. The Great Sneeze reshaped medical responses and research, leading to advancements that still influence our approach to pandemics today. History teaches vital lessons we must heed.